Hi guys, so I found a bit of a problem with the font I've just downloaded. It took me a while to get it back into Inkscape, though I went through the normal process of trying to install the font. Well, it's not that easy in Windows 10. Now this is a known Windows 10 problem apparently. So normally what you do is download the font and you double click on it to open up the font. You can see the font there with the nice brown fox or whatever it is going across the screen, showing you what the font is like, using up all those nice letters. And you hit install, go into Inkscape, and it's not there. So I tried again. I tried to install it again. It said it's already installed, and just couldn't install it. So, but there is a problem that's related to Windows 10, and what it is what I'll do actually is I'll download a font. So I've got one here called Futura Black that I'm going to download. I'm not going to actually use this. I'm just using this as an example. So if you download it, and it's here, and we'll open up the zip file. There we go. It's Futura Black. It's TrueType font. So normally what you do is double click and click install, and this will install. Well, apparently it will install the font for you, but it doesn't. Let me show you. So go into Inkscape. I'm going to close down Inkscape a minute, and I'm going to go back into it. Inkscape. Here we go. So we'll just wait for it to load up. And by rights, in file, sorry, let's get a font up first, that'd be a good idea. A text tool, here we go. So, drop this down, try dropping it down again, and then we'll get the full fonts, for all the fonts. So, down here I should have the Futura font, but it's nowhere to be seen. Even if I type in here as a shortcut. Nope, the only thing that I've got under F is Franklin Gothic. So the problem is that you have to actually right click and install for all users. Now, again, there is also another problem here. If you're trying to do that from a zip file, it won't work. You'll have to actually unarchive the zip file and actually do it that way. Because if I right click, and as you can see, I'm within the zip file at the moment, although it doesn't look like it, I'm actually within the zip file itself, and there's no option there. So if I go back to downloads and stick this on date modifier order, here's the zip file, right click, extract all, yeah, and now our folder's popped back up, right click on that, and now we've got the install for all users. So use that option, and now as you can see, it hasn't actually said it's replacing the font in there. It hasn't warned that the font's already there. So that means it's actually probably installing it in a different place. And if we now go to our Inkscape, hopefully, I may have to reload the Inkscape package here. Let's try that again. Inkscape, and we'll go back into it. In some point. Hello? There we go. Right. I really need an upgrade. Okay, so now we will click on our create text tool, and now what's under F? There we go. Futura Black, sorry. And dropping down, we can now see that we have the font installed. So there you go. So this is part of me trying to actually recreate my logo for my website, so I can use it on my YouTube. And that's the problem I had with installing fonts on Windows 10. Easily resolved, but not obvious. Okay guys, thanks for watching.